What is up? Kent is in the background, back there chilling, wave. So we are day 2 in Vegas right now. We got here yesterday morning and we have not vlogged. We haven't spoken to the camera at all. We haven't even been pulling out the camera because we've just been like hanging out, like we're on vacation. I wasn't even sure if I wanted to share anything about me being away because that's the whole point of me going away. But we're here for my birthday. My birthday is December 30th. So I'm just kind of like celebrating early because my birthday is like right after Christmas and it's just a whole thing for me to travel during Christmas time. So I've never done that before. So this is what that is supposed to be. This guy convinced me to go ahead and do this. Like he was just like, let's go to Vegas for your birthday, because I was just like unsure. But I'm happy that we're here because I'm having so much fun. He's getting his relaxation on because we took a quick intermission. Okay, so yesterday we were just like running around, walking around, getting acclimated with Vegas. This is my second time here. This is Kent's first time here. And I really do feel like Vegas, I feel like we have to do, I'm glad we did 3 days instead of 2 days, babe.
Yeah.
Because I don't feel like we could have gotten, like, I feel like 3 days is the perfect amount of time. Like,
yeah, it is.
Like yesterday was like a good day for us to like chill. And then today is like a day that we're out and doing things. And then tomorrow is like the grand finale of it all. But right now we already went to breakfast, brunch, whatever, as you guys saw a little bit of. And now we're getting ready to go to Caesar's Palace. We have dinner why can't I say reservation? We have dinner reservations at, what is it, 7:30?
Yeah. At
7:30, so we're gonna go head over to Caesar's Palace now and just walk around, hang out. It's currently, I don't even know what time it is. But What time is it? 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's like 3 o'clock. So, all right, I have on a sweater from Nuuly. I actually don't know where the sweater's from. I'm renting it. Then I have this skirt on from, where is this from? Zara.
Yeah.
This Zara skirt, I love the skirt. It has pockets. I actually have this skirt in red also. My Adidas and my little black bag that I wear with basically all of my outfits. I thrifted this bag. Yeah, that's my fit. I'm actually gonna put my jacket on. There we go.
Just a little Jersey Devils, little hoodie.
Okay.
Surprise. Got these printed pants from Abercrombie. Pretty cool, pretty cool. You know, to pair up with the Cherry 13s.
Get into the glasses.
I don't know where they're from. They're just glasses. Found these guys somewhere. Probably Amazon. I don't know. And yeah, a little beanie from H&M. Love a good H&M beanie.
This is our look. I don't know. I would assume like 11 or something.
I was gonna say if you still want to do that.
What would you guys say? Is Madame Tussauds, are you into wax museums? Is wax museums worth the experience? First of all, have you ever been to a wax museum?
I don't think so.
Okay, so I don't know. I'm not mad at the wax museum. I've only been once to this one. I've never been to any of the ones in New York, ironically.
No, we need to go to
We need to go to the one in Times Square.
And I think about it every time we pass it, but I just don't never stop.
I've never been there. gonna say I'm so excited about this. Yeah, there's a lot of like restaurants, and look how cute this like the design of this place is. It's just so well done. This is the food hall. We never came here, so it's like a food court kind of thing, but it's really nice.